Most people get debit cards wrong. They focus only on spending, ignoring benefits, fees, and rewards. Today, we're reviewing the Ad Excellency Platinum debit card to see if it's worth applying for. The Ad Excellency Platinum card is a premium debit card offered by Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Unlike standard debit cards, it comes with benefits like airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services. Most people get this wrong by assuming debit cards can't offer perks. They can, especially premium ones like this. Application requires you to meet eligibility criteria, usually linked to account balance and banking history. Once approved, you get a card with enhanced security features like contactless payment, instant SMS notifications, and fraud monitoring. The card earns rewards on select purchases, including dining, travel, and shopping. You can redeem these rewards for cashback, vouchers, or lifestyle benefits. Most people get this wrong by thinking debit card rewards are minimal. This card competes closely with some credit card reward programs. Fees are transparent. There's no annual fee if you meet balance requirements, and foreign transaction fees are competitive. In my experience, using the card internationally was smooth, and I appreciated the extra protection and perks. In conclusion, the Ad Excellency Platinum debit card is ideal for frequent travelers or premium banking customers who want extra perks without using credit. Most people get this wrong by ignoring debit card rewards. It's worth considering if you qualify. Subscribe for more honest banking and card reviews so you can make informed choices before applying.